Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Offices Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. So as you can see that this is the JAIIB Power Pack Revision Bash. If any one of you is the new candidates who want to crack this JAIIB exam in this November session, so this is the last opportunity and do not miss it, because in this JAIIB Power Pack revision batch, we are going to, revise all the modules in a very quick way. You can see in this batch, the batch is already started from 31st of October. And if I talk about the LRB subject, so LRB subject will be start from 11th of November. So if you want to crack this exam, this is the session in which you can really, really crack your exam. So all the three subject, that is PPB, AFB and LRB subject, is there in this Power Pack revision. So if you feel that, no, ma'am, I just want to take only AFB because AFB is my, it's a weak target. So you can just purchase the AFB. So this is the last opportunity. Do not lose it. And if you want to crack this exam, so this Power Pack revision batch is really important. So focus on the revision back. Next, your YT session questions, and the third one is confidence. Okay, you have, the positive confidence must require to crack any exam. So this is the Power Pack revision batch of your JIIB. Okay, now the next one. So welcome to the Officer Adda. Okay, now if you are new in this session, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel, because once you subscribe this channel, the notification will automatically come in your mobile, and these sessions are very much important to crack your exam. So let's start with the question and answer sessions of your LRB. Now the important questions. The first, which of the following information is mentioned in the Memorandum of Association only and not in the Article of Association? This is what is Article of AOA. Okay. So first of all, for this answer, you have to identify that what is the basic difference between MOA and AOA. So the first option is borrowing power of the board of company. Second, state in which the registered office of the company is located. C is procedure for transfer the share and procedure for conducting the meeting of the company. So you have to identify which of the following is mentioned only in the MOA, not in Article of Association. So this is very important. Before answering any question, you have to understand that from which topic the question has been asked. Okay, so tell me which of the following is the mention in MOA and not in the association, that is Article of Association. And those candidates who are new in this session, now daily we will do the questions so that you can easily remember the, the segments. So for the first one, okay, that is in the MOA, not in the Article of Association. So we know that in MOA, the 6 clauses are there, right? Now 6 clauses are there, but in AOA, it's talk about the internal management of the company. So in this one, the borrowing power of the board of company, that is the internal thing. State in which the registered office of the company is of there, so it's under the Memorandum of Association. Procedure for transfer of share, it is an internal management of the company. And procedure, because procedure will not given in the MOA. MOA, you have to remember only the 6th clause. So that's why all these 3 things are internal management. So that's why the B is the right answer. State in which the registered office of the company is located, that is mentioned in the Memorandum of Association. And in the Companies Act class, the topic, just like the types of company, the difference between the public and private companies, types of companies. Then next is MOA and AOA, doctrines, that is indoor management, ultra vires and constructive notice, and then about the prospectus, directors and the winding up. So these sessions are very important if you want to crack this exam. Okay, so first one, B is the last one. Next one. Next question on the screen is that which of the following is not included in the classification of public company? The first one is limited liability company. Second is unlimited liability company. C is limited by guarantee company, and none of the above. Second one. Which of the following is not included in the classification of public company? We have read the concept of types of company, right? we have read the concept of types of company. So in that thing, company, statutory company, what is statutory company, what is under the registered company, okay, then you have to identify this one. So which is the not included in the classification of public company. Every sessions of PPB, AFB, and this is very important to crack the exam. So for the second one, the exact answer is not included in the classification of public company. That is none of the above. And this is limited liability company, unlimited liability company, limited by guarantee, because we know the types of company now. The company limited by guarantee, company, unlimited company. So these are the types of company. So that's why for the second one, D is the right answer. Okay, that's cool. Now the next one is, next question. A public company is a government company. Okay, the public company is a government company if at least dash of its shareholding is held by the government: 26%, 49%, 51%, or 74%. Which of the following is the right one? A public company is a government company, dash if it is at least dash of its shareholding is held by the government. That is very simple one. And C class, those candidates who have just taken the paid batch, that is a foundation batch, so please focus on the paid batch because revision is very, very much important. 90% candidates do not crack this exam because of the lack of revision. You have completed the paid batch, that is okay. You understand everything, that is okay, but you have to revise whatever you have read. So revision is required. Then do the mock paper as much as possible. So the mock paper is important. The next one is, after revision and mock paper, the next thing is that is important from the examination point of view, that is your ebooks for the one liner, because ebooks is given in the printed form. You can just see, it may happen that you can just learn the new things that is in the ebook. So that's why just only once read is necessary to understand these terms. So ebooks is necessary. And next one is your confidence. Do not lose the confidence. Many students think that we have a so much hectic schedule, we have not revised, we have not done mock paper, but still there is a 1% hope. So just be positive on that hope. Okay, you can crack this exam, because many candidates crack the exam after taking the foundation batch. Many crack the exam after taking the selection batch. Many crack the exam after taking the power pack revision batch, and many candidates crack the exam after seeing the marathon. So there are so many ways, there are so many types of candidates. So that's why you have to focus on your confidence. That yes, you can crack the exam. So for the third one, the exact answer is, if at least 51%. Third one, C is the right answer. Okay, third one, C is the right answer. Next, which of the following can be classified as a foreign company? Okay, which of the following can be classified as a foreign company? First, which has the branches in foreign countries, which is registered in a foreign country, which is doing business in the foreign countries, and all of the above. Which of the following can be classified as a foreign company? And if you are new in this session, do not forget to purchase the Power Pack revision batch. If you want a separate batch of subject, you can purchase. If you want a combined batch, so this is the revision, last revision batch. If you have no time to revise, just focus on our revision. So for this one, which of the following company can be because a foreign company? So the foreign company which is registered in a foreign country. So fourth one, B, is the absolutely right answer. Okay, B is the right answer. Next one. If at least dash percentage capital of a company held by another company, the company whose shares are held is called dash of the other company. So first of all, tell me how much percentage of the capital of a company is held by another company, and that capital and the company whose shares are held is called what? So 33% holding company, 50% subsidiary company, 51% subsidiary company, and 51% holding company. Which of the following is the right one? 51. At least dash percentage of the capital company held by another company, the company whose shares are held, that is absolutely called the subsidiary company. Okay, this is the subsidiary company, but dash percent of capital, so fifth one, C is the right answer. Fifth one, C is the right answer. Okay, as we know that if we talk about the holding company, just see the example of Tata. Holding company is Tata, okay, and subsidiary company, suppose TCS. So TCS 51% share is held by the holding company. So that is subsidiary, TCS is subsidiary, and that is a holding company. Okay. And for associate company, the percentage should be 20 to 50% for associate company. Okay. So please remember the percentage of the subsidiaries company and for the associate company. Just like associate is Mahindra is a company. Mahindra is a simply company. It's a holding. You can say it's a big company and its associate company is Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra 20 to 50% is taken by the Mahindra company. So for the fifth one, C is the right answer. Next, where an organization is established under an act of parliament, it is called what? Public sector undertaking, public sector enterprise, statutory corporation, and any of the above. Sixth one. Where an organization established under the Act of Parliament, it is called what? Public sector undertaking, public sector enterprise, and statutory company. And what is Parliament? Parliament, as we know that government have a three organ, three pillar: legislature, executive, and that is judiciary. So what is the main work of legislative? To make law, executive to execute law, and judiciary to just give justice. Judiciary means to give justice. So that is established under the Act of Parliament. And legislature include class, that is Parliament. And Parliament include Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha. When they pass the bill, then the bill will be sent to the president. And when president will sign, then any bill will becomes a law. So that's why for the sixth one, C is the right answer. Statutory corporation. Got it? Statutory corporation is the right answer. Next. Which of the following name of the act does not match in the context of the trust? What is trust? That is education trust, health trust, etc. A. The public trusts are governed by Public Trust Act. Private trusts are governed by the Indian Trust Act. Hindi trust is governed by Religious and Endowment Act, or Muslim trust is governed by the Muslim Act. So which of the following is the right one? Seventh one. Not match. An endowment is simply a gift of money that is made to an institution in order to provide its the annual income. Okay, that is called endowment. You can say that is also just one other kind of trust. So which does not match for the seventh one. This is right. This is right. You have to remember this is right, but this is not the correct one. So that's why D is the right one, because in Muslim trust that is governed by the Waqf board. Okay. Waqf board is the right answer for this one. Okay. Now, next. Which of the following authorities supervise the activities of public trust? Court of Trust, Trust Board, Charity Commissioner or Commissioner of Endowments, or any of the above? Eighth one. Which of the following authorities supervise the activities of the public trust? The following authorities supervise the activities of public trust. The exact answer is Charity Commissioner or Commissioner of Endowments. So 8(1) C is the right answer. Okay, C is the right answer. Next, based on the fund outflows, the credit facilities allowed by bank can be grouped as secured and unsecured, fund-based and non-fund-based, working capital and term loan, for current assets and for the capital expenditure. So for the ninth one, which of the following is the right one? Ninth. Credit facility. That is very important topic. If we talk about the credit facility, guys, so this is very important. So tell me the exact answer. So the based on the fund outflows, the credit facility allowed by the bank can be grouped as the fund based and non-fund based. For the ninth one, B is the right answer. Okay, because in the fund based, you can say if we give the example of the fund based, in which the money is transferred directly from bank to the borrower, and for the non-fund based, third parties involved, just like your letter of credit, LC, the bank guarantee, the example of this ninth one. So B is the right answer. Next, which of the following credit facility is not a fund-based credit facility sanctioned to a borrower? Drawee bill acceptance, overdraft, deferred payment guarantee, and your bill finance. Not a fund-based, not a fund-based. So it means, not a fund-based means, which of the following credit facilities not a fund-based facilities sanctioned a borrower? So for the 11th one, I have already given you the example of fund-based and non-fund-based. So for the ninth one, not a fund-based, that is deferred payment guarantee. Not a fund-based, okay? It means non-fund-based credit facility. So these are the example of fund-based, 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 okay? And this is the non-fund-based. Next, which of the following credit facility sanctioned by bank to its borrower is a fund-based? Now the fund-based. Letter of credit, bank guarantee, drawee bill acceptance, and deferred payment guarantee. I think that is very easy. 11th one. Deferred payment is non-fund. This is non-fund. This is non-fund based credit facility. This is non-fund. And this is fund based. So the drawee acceptance, the drawee bill acceptance is the right answer. Okay. And these two topics are very important from the examination point of view. Next, the rule in Clayton case is based on which of the following premise? Each debit and credit in a running account shall be combined together. B. Each debit in a running account is separate loan and any credit to such account is deemed to be repaying the first debit in the account. C. Each debit is a common loan but each credit is a separate credit entry, and none of the above. 12th one. 12th one. And so what is rule of Clayton? So rule of Clayton is also very important. It simply means appropriation of money. Appropriation of money, that is a rule of Clayton. So that is based on which of the following premise? 12th one. Rule of Clayton is based in which of the following premises? 12. The short form of Clayton is FIFO. The short one is your FIFO, right now. So that's why for the 12th one, each debit is in a running account is a separate loan, and any credit to such account is deemed to be repaying the first debit account, because that is why it is called appropriation of money. Okay, that's why. Next. So I think that's all for today's class. So hope so you people like the session, the questions that we have asked. So this is guys the JAIIB Power Pack revision batch. The PPB already started. The AFB will be start from 7th of November, and your LRB subject will be start from 11th of November. The timing will be 6 a.m. to it's a 7:30. It's maybe 7:30 a.m. or 7 a.m. Okay. So guys, if you want to crack this exam, so this Power Pack revision batch is the last revision, and the price of this batch is very much less. So if you want to crack, the process is very simple. Okay, the process is very simple. Click on all, click on this all courses. Okay, and JAIIB CAIIB, it's the English medium. So if you click on English medium guys, you can see here the Power Pack revision batch, and this is the case studies batch that is going on. If you want to obtain the 2 marks question in all 3 subjects very well, because 15 question will come in the basis of case studies question that's contain the 2 marks. So this is the case study separate batch. So click on this JAIIB. Okay, and now click on view offer, put the coupon code Y391. Okay, and if you click on apply, you can see the discount is 77. Only 919 is the actual price, and that is so much nominal price that we have put. So if you want to crack this exam, this batch will really give you the benefit to crack this exam. Okay, and you can see the study plan also here. Okay, if I show you the LRB study plan, so the timing is 6 to 7:30 a.m. and 6 classes will be there. 17 the class will be in 18 November. Your marathon will be there. So I think that is sufficient to crack this exam. Okay, that is sufficient. And if you want to take the case studies batch, so this is the case study batch you can see here. This batch contain the test series also, ebooks also. So click on view offer and put the coupon code Y391. Click on apply. You can see here 77. 1494 is the right answer for this one. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Hope so you people like the session. And there's also JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack which contain, you know, JAIIB Mahapack. It's contain basically everything. So the validity is 1 year for JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. It include all the batches of JAIIB and CAIIB, and 1 year validity is there.